Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide contacts on iPhone. And here's how it's done. Start by opening the phone app, then tap contacts at the bottom center. The easiest way to hide any contact is by tapping the list button in the top left corner. From there, you can create a list to organize contacts. For example, I will create a new list in my Gmail and name it Untouchable. Now tap on the Untouchable list and choose Add Contacts. Select the contact you want to add this list. You will now see that this contact is saved in the untouchable list within Gmail. Next, open Settings and scroll down to tap on Apps. From there, scroll until you find Contacts and select Contacts Account. Tap on your Gmail account and toggle off Contacts. You will get a prompt asking if you want to delete the contacts from your phone. Select Delete from my iPhone. Remember, the contacts are still stored in your email account, so they haven't been deleted entirely. If you ever want to unhide them, simply go back into your settings and toggle contacts back on. It will resync all your contacts from that account to your phone, and you are all set. And that is everything you need to know about how to hide contacts on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.